Bye, brother.
Of course, we have to ask some guidance first before we start the party, right? Everything should start with a prayer. From the moment we open our eyes every morning, we should say a little prayer for giving us another day to celebrate. Yeah? Because every day is a celebration. And before we proceed to the opening prayer, may I request everyone to please rise and all stand up. And if you wants to join this game, all we have to do is to stand up. Stand up, everyone. Music, please. Stand up, stand up, stand up. There we go. And go closer to your family stable or anyone who's with you today. Might be your mommy or daddy. Go closer to your parents, to your tita or tito or anyone who's with you today. Okay? Go closer to them. Because we are going to play the most popular game sa mga party. And it's simply called the Bring Me. You guys already know how to play this game, right? Magdadala lang kayo sa amin ng different kinds of object. Pag nadala sa akin ng tama, of course, you will receive a special prize from me. Okay? Now, as you can see, we have our special weekend. We have to be careful at the same time din, ha? Para hindi tayo mahirapan. Parents, again, you can help your kids. You can go closer to your family stable because most of the things na hanapin ko might be inside your mommy's bag, your daddy's 1,000 pesos! Let's go! Bring your 1,000 pesos. Sit down here. No, just hold it first. 1,000, 2,000, who else? We have 3,000. Sige, sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Zion, sit down. Very good. We have our winners na. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, ang cellphone talaga, usually extension ng wallet yan eh. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay. Minor prize muna. But don't you worry. Meron na yung major prize later. Okay? Get your prize na. Go get your prize. 2 of a kind. 2 chocolates. Okay? Don't you worry. We have major prize later. Pero for the meantime, minor prize muna. 2 prizes. Get 2. Meron 2 lang. 2. Yeah, very good. Thank you. All the 1,000s na nakuha nyo. 2, 3, selfie. Very good. Now, this time, I am going to ask you to take a selfie with someone. Like for example, I want you to take a selfie with your pet. You go find your pet, take a selfie, bring me the pictures for you to get the prize. Okay? But yes, of course, it's just an example lang. Okay? Ready? First selfie. For you to get a prize, I want you to bring me a selfie with your mommy or tita. Let's go! Bring me a selfie with your mommy or tita. First 3 wins the prize. 3. Very good. Get your prize. Come here. This one is for you. First 3 lang ha. First 3. 1. We have 1, 2. Is that your mommy? Parang kapit mo lang. Oh, here. This one is for you. Sige, winner na kayong lahat. Oh, here. 1 for you. Tita, okay lang. Here. This one is for you. This one is for you, Rainy. And Elise, very good. Is that your mom? Ako lang eh. Okay, this one is for you. Congratulations. Okay, sino po muna? Beauty! Okay, another point. Parang gusto nyo ibalik sa dati. Okay na, mahintid na laban to. This will be our last round, our tiebreaker match. Orange team warning po, there will be a point deduction kapag hindi nyo sunod ng rules. After po nating maligtag, you have to pass it to the other members of your group. Bawal pong iwan sa table. Okay? Pasa natin, ipapasa. Okay? Alright, ready? Ma'am, parang gusto niyo talagang mauna, ha? Bawi-bawi. Okay, ready? For the kids, syempre, okay? For the prizes, syempre, para sa ating mga lovely kids. Last round. The game begins. Our last and final round. The game begins in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Final round. Who will be our winner for the top stocking? Very good, pasa. Okay, bawat kong iwan ng top, ipasa sa member. Very good. For this time, ano sabay lang? Blue, blue, blue. Orange, orange, orange. Blue, blue, blue. Orange, orange, orange. Blue, blue, blue. Orange, orange, orange. Ah! At ako, ayan hindi ako nahihirap pagkalat. Okay, next. Para matanggap mo na kagad, sir. It's obviously our winner for this game. Number hands together for Team Alright! Don't you worry, blue team, we have a consolation prize for the non-winners. Of course, we'd love to give you consolation prize syempre para sa inyong mga kids. But for the meantime, let's have prizes muna for our winners. Get your prize. Ano po sa Pizza, sa box? Yeah, choose that one. Choose one. Anything you like. Yes, po. Thank you and congratulations. Okay, congratulations, congratulations. Thank you, thank you. Your next one. Yes, sir, please get one. Thank you so much for being a nice sport. And congratulations. Okay. Now, we're going to proceed to the next part. Announcement lang po. We are distributing the baskets na. We are going to start the egg hunting na, okay? Pero, after the egg hunt, meron tayong dance number from our good friends. We are going to start the egg hunting na. Of course, you guys already know how to play this game. Yung mga parents, meron bang ganun yung panahon natin? Wala eh, no?
Let's go, let's go. Baka doon sa kabilang side, sa kabilang garden. nga, yung pinakamalaki daw.
Very good. That's yours. Tumatawid na yung girls, so. Okay. Nice. Very good. For our good friends. Parents, pwede nyo silang tulungan. Don't shout ang tulungan. Don't shout.